Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get an employer identification number for your corporation. An employer identification number, or EIN, is like a social security number for your business. This unique 9-digit code identifies your corporation to the Internal Revenue Service for tax purposes. You will need an EIN to open a business bank account, file certain tax forms, and hire employees. Obtaining this number is a fundamental step for your new corporate entity, ensuring legal operation and proper financial management. To apply for an EIN, your business must first be legally formed as a corporation. The individual applying on behalf of the corporation, known as the responsible party, must also have a valid taxpayer identification number, such as a social security number or an individual taxpayer identification number. Only one EIN is typically issued per responsible party for each distinct entity. This ensures a clear and accountable system for your business operations. The most efficient way to get your EIN is by applying online directly through the Internal Revenue Service website. This method typically takes about 15 minutes to complete. Upon successful submission, your new employer identification number will be issued to you immediately, allowing you to use it right away. The online system is generally available for 24 hours on weekdays, providing ample opportunity to complete your application at your convenience. Before you begin your online application, gather some key pieces of information. You will need the exact legal name and mailing address of your corporation. Additionally, have the full name and taxpayer identification number of the responsible party readily available. You also need to describe your primary business activity, for example, retail or construction, and estimate the number of employees you expect to have. Having these details prepared ensures a smooth and quick application process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.